When we have selected the calculated table Y1, Y2, we have access to the visualizations that are found inside the module. In this version of Qualitools, we have only one visualization. We press the button Samples Comparison. The COM template will be inserted into the workbook, in which the first graph we can visualize the tolerance limits and the distribution representation of the sample 1 and 2. In the bottom part, Qualitools show us the result of three methods that we will use to analyze if both samples are equal or not. The first method is a hypothesis test for means. If the p-value is less than 0.05, we consider that the means are different. The second method is a hypothesis test for variances. And if the p-value is less than 0.05, we consider that the variances are different. The third and last method is simply a comparative of the expected percentage out of a spec, which is analogous to the ppm. Qualitools considers that if the quantity of expected ppms are different, then a significant difference exists between both samples. The COM template in Qualitools has a predetermined value of 1%, and this value should be adjusted by the user according to the significance value. And if any of these three methods, the answer is yes, the recommendation from Qualitools is to accept that a difference exists between the selected samples. Thank you, and see you in the next chapter.